Hi, welcome to Virtual Construction Assistance. Weekly tips and tricks. Our tip for this week is about color categories in Outlook calendar. Isn't it disappointing to look at your calendar loaded with meetings and appointments and you do not know which ones are important? Well, color categories helps users to sort, find, and filter calendar entries according to color. Outlook has two methods to color code your calendar appointment: color categories and conditional formatting. For this week, we are going to use the color categories. First, open your Outlook calendar. Let's say we want to set a color for US holidays. Select a holiday, then right-click and then select Categorize, then choose All Categories. A dialog box pops up. Click the New button on the upper right. Put a name, let's say Holiday. Select your preferred color and then click OK. Make sure Holiday is enabled, then click OK. This will apply to all entries with similar condition. An additional tip: set a color code for the invoice reminder that runs in your calendar bi-weekly. Before creating and assigning color categories, make sure you've classified them based on priority, urgency, or importance. Got it? That's all for this week. See you again on the next episode of VCA Tips and Tricks.